Hi friends, welcome to Airdropspot. In today's video, we are going to be doing Variational Testnet. Variational is a P2P trading protocol for perpetuals and generalized derivatives. Although I don't like talking about projects funding most of the time because it is not how big their funding is that determines how rewarding the airdrop is going to be. But they have raised $10 million from partners like Bain Capital, Dragonfly, Coinbase, and others. And what I find the most interesting is that 50% of their token supply VAR is going to be distributed to the community. So what you want to do, first of all, you want to go to Variational website and then enter your email address to join their private mainnet that is coming next year. To get started with the testnet, we are going to visit the testnet website. You'll see all the links that you need that I used in this video in the comment section for your convenience. Click on Connect Wallet and then connect your EVM wallet. I'll be using MetaMask. Once wallet is connected, tap on Arbitrum Sepolia to switch your network. And lastly, you need to authenticate. So tap on Authenticate button. Then you are going to tap on that checkbox. And then complete the CAPTCHA. Then tap on Authenticate. It is going to automatically create your trading portfolio, then tap on Claim Test USDC, and lastly tap on Deposit Funds, and doing this is going to deposit 10,000 USDC that you have in your EVM wallet into the trading account that has just been created for you. So I'm going to tap on Max and I'm going to tap on Deposit USDC. But then, because this is testnet, it is not stable. When you tap on Deposit USDC, you may get this kind of error message. So what you need to do is to just wait for about 10 minutes and then try it again. That is what I did, and I was eventually able to deposit funds into my trading wallet. Now you see where you see BTC Prep, you can tap on that drop down and then choose from any of these contracts that you would like to trade. But to get started, I'm going to stick with BTC Prep. So before you decide whether you want to buy or sell, you can try to adjust the chart here. Adjust the chart well so that you can see the price trend that is forming. For this particular one, I can see that BTC price is likely to go up. So I'm going to use the buy feature. So when you use the buy feature, you are simply predicting that the price of BTC is going to go up, and if you use the sell feature, you are predicting that soon the price of BTC is going to come down. So what I want to do now is to set my take profit and stop loss. You want to make sure that take profit stop loss button, you can see that checkbox, that it is turned on. Okay, so what am I saying? I am telling the system that once the price of BTC starts going up and it gets to $110,000, then take profit for me. Now let's say things did not go as I planned, and instead of BTC price to go up like I have predicted and now it starts to come down, then that puts me at the risk of losing my trading capital, 100% of it. Now I need to set my stop loss so that instead of losing 100% of my capital, I only get to lose a tiny percentage of it. So now what have I done so far? I want to trade with 2000 USDC, and the system should take profit for me once BTC gets to $110,000. And if it starts to come down, which is contrary to what I have predicted, and it gets to $92,500, the system should sell at loss for me so that I won't lose 100% of my trading capital. Then I'll tap on buy to complete my trade, and that is how to use the buy feature. Now I'm going to be placing another trade, but before I do that, I just switch to desktop mode so that we can see our position. So you can see BTC Prep. If you tap on to active, you are going to see the conditions that you have set for this trade to be completed. You can see my take profit and my stop loss. So once any of these two conditions hit, whichever one that hits first, whether it is the take profit or the stop loss, the system is going to execute the trade for me and then close it. Now let's go ahead. I'll switch back to mobile mode. Let's go ahead and then place another trade. So this time I want to trade a different contract. I just tapped on that drop down and I'm going to be trading Sol this time. And if you adjust this chart, you are going to see the direction in which Sol is likely to go. I am not a professional trader, so I cannot make technical analysis, but you can just do this simple zooming in and out of the chart so that you can see the price trend that is forming. If you look at this one, you see that the price of Sol is likely to come down. So I'll be using the sell button this time. I'll be shorting Sol. And the first thing I am doing here is setting the amount of USDC that I want to use and enter into this trade. Then check the take profit stop loss button and then set your take profit amount. Now the price of Sol is currently at 193 USDC and then I am setting my take profit to 177 USDC, which means as the price of Sol starts to come down and it touches 177 USDC, the system should take profit for me. At that time I will be at 8.71% profit. Now if things did not go as I have predicted and instead of the price of Sol dropping it starts to go up, then I'm going to be at loss. Now in order for me not to lose 100% of my profit, I need to sell to set my stop loss, and then I have entered 200 USDC, which means if the price of Sol starts going up from the current price of 193 USDC and it gets to 200 USDC, the system should please sell for me so that I can manage the loss at 3% instead of losing 100% of my trading capital. Now I'm going to tap on sell Sol and this position is going to be created. So that is how to set your buy and sell orders on Variational. Now it's okay even if you do not make any profit. This is just testnet, so it does not matter whether you know how to trade derivatives or not. It does not matter whether you are making profit in your trades. Just keep running this testnet every now and then when you are less busy. And if you run out of USDC for trading, simply go to your wallet, then tap on test USDC for set. Tap on claim test USDC and then you'll be able to claim 10,000 USDC every day, once every day. So that is that about Variational Testnet. Many thanks to everyone who have subscribed to this channel, regardless of when you joined us. Thank you for being a part of this beautiful community. And I hope that this channel have been of a great help to you in one way or another in your airdrop journey. And I am grateful for all the wins that we have made so far this year, both big and small. And to hell with the projects that gave us dusting powder as well. I wish us all bigger wins beyond our expectations in the coming year. And also make sure to join us on all channels, Telegram, Twitter, Medium. You are going to find the links to all of our channels in the comment section because sometimes some information will only stay on Telegram, some may make it to Twitter and not make it to YouTube. So you don't want to miss out on anyone, okay? Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next airdrop update next year. Bye.